Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is NCAP, that is National Clean Air Program. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The National Green Tribunal or NGT has directed the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEFCC, to modify the National Clean Air Program or NCAP, which proposes 20 to 30% reduction of air pollution by 2024. Now let's discuss about National Clean Air Program or NCAP. The program was launched by the MOEFCC in January 2019. It was the first ever effort in the country to frame a national framework for air quality management with a time-bound reduction target. It seeks to cut the concentration of coarse, that is PM10, and fine particles, that is PM2.5, by at least 20% in the next 5 years, with 2017 as the base year for comparison. The program aims to expand the National Air Quality Monitoring Network, to build capacity for air pollution management, and to raise public awareness about the hazards of air pollution. The NCAP also aims to have a feasible plan for the prevention, management, and control of air pollution. The plan includes 102 non-attainment cities across 23 states and union territories, which were identified by the Central Pollution Control Board or CPCB on the basis of their ambient air quality data between 2011 and 2015. Non-attainment cities, these are those that have fallen short of the National Ambient Air Quality Standards or NAAQS for over 5 years. Now moving on to the implementation. At the national level, the implementation of the program will be done by an apex committee at the Environment Ministry level. At the state level, committees at the Chief Secretary level will oversee the implementation of the scheme. The NCAP is a joint collaboration between Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Heavy Industries, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Agriculture, Central Pollution Control Board, and Niti Aayog. The program also ropes in academia, philanthropic foundations, civil society, etc. Now moving on to the prelims-based question. Consider the following statement or statements regarding National Clean Air Program or NCAP. 1. It is the first ever effort in the country to frame a national framework for air quality management with a time-bound reduction target. 2. It seeks to cut the concentration of coarse, that is PM10, and fine particles, that is PM2.5, by at least 20% in the next 5 years, with 2017 as the base year for comparison. 3. The committees at the Chief Secretary level will oversee the implementation of the scheme at the state level. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.